There's another elevator at the Sheraton here in Tucson. I have a feeling this may have been Embassy Suites at a time. Not sure on that though.
I think it's broken. 160. Los abajo.
We're gonna get off at 300. There is something wrong with this door. As you can tell, it opens really slowly. See, very Embassy Suites style. Even the rooms are all one-bedroom suites here, for the most part. So I think this was an Embassy Suite a long time ago. We're gonna get off here. There is something wrong with this door.